We're gonna try to do a video here of some different things, some trucks on the farm. So here we are. First off, we're talking my truck. 2010 is a little dirty right now, but 2010 Chevy Silverado. It's a Z71 4-wheel drive. It's a little bit of a mess, but there it is. It's got heated seats, and there it is. And the truck's a little dirty, but four-wheel drive. Back here we got some. Back here at the back seats, you got back here. This truck is 2010 model, has about 140,000 miles on it. This is back seat of the truck. In case y'all wondering, this iPad here is what I do all of my video editing with and stuff. And yeah, so that's the truck. That's that truck. My truck, personal truck. I like that truck. Not a lot to say about that. Over here, in this shed right here, this is a farm truck we got. 2004 Ford F-150 Power Stroke, 6.0. This truck's two-wheel drive, two-door, two-wheel drive. Got the flatbed on it. This truck does this odd jobs. This truck does odd jobs. Julie, this used to be our service truck, but it's not anymore because this truck here is a good truck when it runs, but it's not very dependable. And it's had a bunch of, it's had a new wiring put on it, it's had a new starter put on it, it's had a new crankshaft put on it, it's had a new, basically, if you made deals with these trucks and you're a mechanic before or whatever, and you worked on these trucks, you know these trucks they're just stupid. They never should have been on the market, in my opinion. And the birds are crapped all over this, but I mean, it's a good truck and it runs when it. And all the truck does now, we got a 1,500-gallon nurse wagon sitting on the other barn, sitting over in the other barn, and we haul liquid nitrogen with, and we use it for that and to pull that and to pull a seed tender, and that's about all the truck. And the spring and fall and stuff. That's about all the truck does. And sometimes we'll pull other stuff with it, but we got the trucks for that. We'd rather drive. That's all in this shed for us trucks. That's all in this shed for us trucks. And then we got over here. We got two semis. I guess I don't think probably came up with semis, but we'll do semis since we're right here. First semi here is a International. I don't remember the year on this one. This is our older semi. This has got an International truck. It's got a cat motor in it. It's the 1987 model. And this truck is hooked up to a lowboy currently. But 1987 model, it's pretty, you can see the inside of it, I guess. It's pretty rough on the inside, but all the truck really does is run that lowboy and got a wet kit and runs this lowboy, but it's pretty rough and it hadn't really been drove in probably, I don't know the last time the truck was drove, but that's really about all we do with this truck. And we do haul grain with it. We do have a trailer we haul grain with it sometimes, but this is a good truck. And it's a 9-speed transmission, and that's about trucks with 10s. And I prefer the 10s because I'm used to them more over the 9. But it does all right. But it's a pretty rough old truck, but it does the job. But it does what we ain't to do. And most of the time I hooked up to this lowboy here. And for our Dozer, that's our Dozer right there. Some of y'all want to see that. That's our Dozer right there. And this truck here is another one of our semis. This is a Freightliner, 2000 Freightliner. And it's got this 38. It's got the 38-foot jet hot bottom trailer on it. And we got this truck, and this truck's got a C15 Cummins in it, I think. But this is our second truck, and this truck here has 400. This truck here only has 430,000 miles on it. We got this truck. It had about 400 miles on it. 400,000 miles on it. We put about 39,000 miles on it. We've had about 2 years now. We don't drive the trucks a whole lot, but this is a lot nicer truck. You know, I mean, I'm sure it's not nice for some of y'all's trucks, but that's the job for us. And we got 2 trucks just like this one, so I'm not gonna show y'all the other one because it's actually not in our lot right now. It's actually not in our shop a lot right now, but it looked just like this one. Same truck and same trailer set up, both the same year. We got them both at the same time. We got both the trucks and the trailers at the same time, and the same year model and everything. So one's just different color. That's it. That one's white, and we got another one's tan. And then I guess I can show you two. I'll show you another truck, and then let's see what else. What's up here? No. I got another truck. I can show you another truck and trailer. I'll show you. I got 2 trailers over here. That truck I can show you over here in the shed, in the side shed. So in this side shed, there's the truck. Actually, this truck is here. Okay, huh? It is here. All right. There's his truck and trailer. It's over here. We've been hauling a few beans with that truck back there. But yeah, truck, trailer, same thing. This truck, I prefer this truck to drive this truck over the white truck out there. It just seems like it rides a little bit better to me. It shifts a little better, but that's just my opinion. And then we have this Wheeler trailer. We have this Wheeler trailer here. This trailer here is like 40 feet. And it goes on the old International out there. Sometimes if we have to use it, we use it on the old International, old Red International out there. And it's a pretty rough. It's a pretty rough looking trailer. As y'all can probably tell, but there's the trucks and trailers, and it's nice to be got hauled out of the field with it. It holds a lot of. You can hold a lot of grain. You can get 1,000 bushels of beans on this trailer, and you can get about 1,200 bushels of corn on this thing. So it holds quite a bit of grain, which is nice. And you can get a lot of grain on this thing, but we don't try to go too far with it. And then. And there's my dad's black Chevy over there. And then over here is the Dodge 2015 Dodge. And it's a nice truck. It's four-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. This is a new service truck. You replace the Ford, and we couldn't get made the Ford have so much problems. We just keep extra. We couldn't get made trade for it, but it's got a toolbox, and we have this bed custom made for this truck and fit on this truck. And you got 2 sets of toolbox. You got 2 sets of doors on either side, down both sides of the bed. Down there, and then we got a toolbox mount right there. We got an air compressor mounted here with the air hoses. We got a vise. We got a welder and a generator. We got a welder / a generator. Then we got torches, acetylene torches, and the hoses for that. And Then we got some random stuff in here. Extension cords and covers and under the seat. And we got some stuff under the seat and whatever, but this truck's been a really good truck. We've had this truck for about 2 years now, I think. And it's a really good truck. I like it. And then here, in case you want to see, here's our Traco. You may want to see anything in that. This is our Traco. This is a John Deere 200 LC Traco. And a Dodge right there I showed y'all is a Case 850C. Yeah, that's the Traco. We haven't used this thing much. It's been too wet, and we've been so busy. We haven't had time to use it this fall, or this winter much. But the way this year's shaped up to be. But this thing is a 1990. This is a 2016 model, by the way. This is a 19. This thing's a 1998, 99 model. And John Deere, it's been a good machine. It's been a good machine for us. And I guess so. This video gives y'all the. So this video gives y'all the trucks, the trailers, all the farm trucks, all the trailers, all the semis, dozer Traco. So I know some people want to see the trucks and everything. I need some more videos on some more stuff y'all want to see. On some more equipment we got, or just anything y'all want to know. See, comment down below in this video what you want to see, and I'll get you a video. Of it. I'll get y'all a video of it. So anyway, that's what we got for trucks and trailers and stuff. And anyway, talk to y'all later. Have a good day.